to my channel. So today on my channel we're going to be reviewing a website called printedcreations.co.za. You might remember that we've already reviewed them in a social media business video, but they also have an online website. This time I did order through the website. I didn't order through Instagram and WhatsApp. I don't remember last time I ordered these 3D printed earrings, but this time I ordered his poly clay cutters, which is what he specializes in at the moment. Well, the website specializes in at the moment. Here is my package. I ordered this on the Monday and it arrived on the Wednesday. Here it is again. Okay, so the same box as last time. Cute little sticker. Let's open it and see. Oh wow! Okay, so I ordered some poly clay cutters. I ended up buying 2 sets because I thought just buying the 1 set wouldn't be worth the delivery. Delivery is a flat fee of 75 Rand, I think, which is really not bad. I mean, I've paid up to 120 Rand in delivery fee, which I think was ridiculous. I even went onto a website the other day. I filled my basket up until 2,000 Rand and they still wanted to charge me 120 Rand delivery. So I think 75 is quite reasonable. I particularly wanted these. So I don't know how many of you watch the home channel, but you do get little mosaic tiles in this shape. It's called Arabesque, that's the name of the shape, and I absolutely think they are stunning. So beautiful. And I'm not really going to use them for poly clay cutters. I think I'm going to more use these as like little cookie cutters, or you know, fondants for cakes or something, because I just think they're so elegant and beautiful. I have them in each size. I think for the set of 3 was 50 Rand or something. It really wasn't expensive. And then to make the order worthwhile, I thought I'd get some cactuses. So I'm going to use these when I have a Mexican themed birthday or something. Then I'm going to make little cactus things and pop them all around. To be honest, I didn't really have like a set plan. I just saw this shape and I thought I have to have these just in case one day I need them, because I am also that kind of ridiculous person that just buys things because just in case one day I might need it. I'm really happy with him. I mean, I've never had a problem with his quality before. The same 3D printer that printed these probably printed these earrings, and they feel the same. The material is the same, just obviously a different color, and I think it's really awesome and I love them. They're really sturdy and hardy, and I think they'll go far. I just wanted to show you that I had ordered these, and if you'd like to order poly clay cutters, I mean, there's such a big poly clay cutter boom at the moment. I don't know what's going on. Everyone's making poly clay cutter earrings and they are just looking amazing and the designs are incredible. So if you want to jump on the bandwagon, then this dude does really nice poly clay cutters. Poly clay earring cutters. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to subscribe and click the little bell for notifications every time I upload, that'd be great too. And that's it from me today, guys, so I'll see you next time. Bye.